Are we gonna go right in that side corner, Phil?
Which one?
Right on the side corner? Oh, you see her waving? See her waving? Or him? So maybe right behind that polar wolf?
I think it's on the tug, maybe.
What? Oh, go right to the tug? I may or may not need the pole, guys. We'll have to see. Oh. Right on the outside of it. Oh, right on the outside of Polar Wolf. Thanks. Oh man, this is gonna be great. Normally we have to tie up to the big pillars and it's a bear to try and get around them, but oh, I think I'm gonna use my line. It's a little short.
Okay, well, we'll make it work.
Okay, thanks. Great catch. How'd he do that there? Good job. I knew we haven't given you sleep for reasons like that. I don't even know how to tie a... How do you tie it on a big guy like this? Something like that, huh? How's that? I've never tied on something so big.
Oh, here.
Okay, let me see.
No problem. Okay, yeah, just like this, and you just go like this.
Oh, just go around that, not okay. Nice. Well, this is the easiest ever that we've had. Yeah. Otherwise, we're now trying to go around the big pylons and stuff.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just tell. So you're gonna get your brailers out of here.
Yep.
Just have to swing them over the water so they don't drip on the boat.
Okay.
Then I'll have to wash the deck down.
Okay. All right. I wonder. I'm gonna jog up there quick. Try and tell them that. Now, Thor, have you done this with us before? Okay, so they're gonna come down with like, it's gonna be two big things that would be able to, yeah. So it should just be two poles. So that side, you know, 1-1 and 1-1. So if you already want to get those two, if you want to open up those two, you can. Set them back, and I'm gonna jog up there and see if I can get them not to drip on his boat. I think there's a ladder over here. Thought I saw a ladder. Here it is. Delivering Amanda fish. First round of hopefully only 4. I think we have close to 5,500 to 6,000 pounds aboard. Yeah. Hey, Gary.
How many bags you got?
We got 2, 4, 7.
7 bags?
Yeah, so we'll have all 4 on the opposite side.
Yeah.
I figure just, you know, boom, boom, and then 3 on this side.
Okay.
I figure 5,500 to 6,000 pounds.
All right. So 7 bags I got right up close to that. So I can put a bag in each one so I don't like
Yeah.
small anyway.
Yeah, we got a lot, and they're awesome.
I don't have a scale with me, so I'm gonna have to give you a number later.
Okay.
And I mean, these red ones weigh 123 pounds.
Okay.
Subtract whatever they weigh on the scale.
Okay.
Unless they get Amanda to give me a scale over here.
Yeah, and I wanted to just check with him. He asked if we could try and not drip on his boat.
Oh.
So,
Yeah.
you know, if he swings, I mean, he's right there. If he swings way around. So, hey. Hey, Phil. So we'll try just 2 pulls, you know. One that side and one this side. And then I'll, oh, like that? You think that would be best? Sure, we could, yeah. Hey, Phil, Gary's by himself. I'm gonna help him unload it then. Okay. By the way, we saw this barge earlier, Alaska Trader. Look at all those empty containers. All reefers waiting to be filled with salmon. Look at that, he's carrying 2 at a time over there. Ginormous machine. Ooh, they're spinning already. I better get back over here. I was gonna give you a shot of them getting off, but I better be back here. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. The guy in the Wolf here asked if we were able to swing it around his boat.
Yep.
So, okay. We thought maybe that far hole, and now he didn't open up this hole. I thought he was gonna go with this one. You know, go this one and this one over here.
Okay.
Hey Phil, you can do this one on this side. You gonna do this one on this side too? Boom. Yeah, oh, okay.
How many bags altogether?
7 bags total. So we'll do that one and this one, and then those 2, and then only one on this front side. So we have one that's is probably less than 15 fish that we didn't want to send to our you know, you pay for the weight, and she's gonna only use about half the fish. So we've never had it this easy in tying up. We normally tie to the pylons. That's a bear to try and get around that.
It's a bitch.
Oh man.
Definitely a bitch.
Yeah, and then we saw this guy coming through earlier, like, oh boy. So how many, do you know how many are on there?
209 coming off. Put about 350 on it.
Wow. Because, are you gonna go 5 high then?
No, just 4.
Just 4 high, okay.
5's too heavy.
Oh, 5 would be too heavy. Okay. How's your day been?
Not bad.
Good. It's nice, it's not raining, and the wind is less than 30 miles an hour.
Yep. Absolutely.
This is our 2nd day back now. Well, 4th day back, 3rd and 4th day back from Egagik. We had to sit out 2 days.
Oh, yeah.
And man alive, if it wasn't windy down there. Oh my word.
Windy all season.
Oh, just windy. You can see what's going on there, I think.
Yeah, if not, I can keep telling.
Or he's seeing your vision through your glasses.
Exactly. That good.
Oh man. All right, so they're getting those tightened up there. 2 pulls. Phil's got it going on. So they'll get them up here, swing them past the Wolf here, and
I don't see why not.
and then Gary's up here, and then I'm gonna help him unload.
Grabbing 4, right?
Yeah, there's 4 bags there, yeah. I mean, 2 and 2. Kick off the corners so they don't tear. Got some new guys there. and I gotta tell him, remind him stuff, otherwise I gotta fix it later. This is Abraham with the Salmon Homestead, and we are over at City Dock in Naknek getting our bags pulled. First of probably 4 rounds of getting our bags pulled for our processor. And this is the first time we've done the blue ropes. Normally we almost put the, you guys gonna have to put, almost gonna have to, we put them right down to the bags themselves. Yeah, wiggle, wiggle that. If anything, the rope will come down, the others isn't. There you go, you gotta wiggle, Gideon. Who's gonna win? Hey, Phil, who gets the prize?
I win.
Come on. I think Gideon's gonna win. Thor, what are you doing over there? We had a rolled net yesterday, which doesn't happen too often. And those guys were supposed to clean the clear fish, and I was cleaning out that partial road net. And I said, they better beat me. Hey, there you go. Nice attempt, Thor, but you're down 0.1. We mess with Thor, and we'll say his percentage goes up by 0.1 and then maybe down by 0.1 on what happens. I don't know what Phil's gonna pay him, but it's sort of fun to do. By the way, it feels pretty good. I had about 50-55 minutes of sleep. Let's think here, what is it? It's about from 3 o'clock, so about in 24 hours I just had about 55 minutes of sleep, and I feel pretty good. We fish again here at 7 o'clock. Oh, is he just gonna come this way?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. All right, Gary, where am I gonna be able to be most help? Where's the what? Yeah, that one happens to be dangling, but they all are curved back up. Well, they're 2 individual bags. I mean, better close. I can close this. You're good?
Yeah.
Okay. And should I pop up on the other side?
I think you're all right. I'll go one at a time.
Okay. Oh my word, I almost got blood on me. Yeah, there's 4 bags there. And then there's still 3 more. All right, what are you trying to separate that a little bit?
Separate one and each toe.
There we go. All right. So, what do you think here now? What's that?
Oh, we got the 4 bags that kind of throw me off. So you gotta get all these on if you get them all in one car.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Yep. It's almost for a ride. Is it okay if I go like this even?
Yeah, either way.
Okay.
You go down. You go down a little bit.
How are we gonna dump these, Gary?
Some pigtails. Look at the pigtails for the hooks.
I guess we're gonna try and hook the pigtails to the hooks. He'll lift them up and then that will dump them. Okay.
Yeah, so long as the pigtails don't snap, we're good. I've only seen that happen once, so.
All right. All right, so. Got one there. Okay. I got it. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, this one's dumping well. Yeah, I'm a success. How about you? Excellent. I'll just chuck my rope down. Good job. Wow. Here, I'll get down over here and take get that down to them.
I can put on the hood for now.
Well, no, they're gonna need it for one more.
Yeah, we got 3 more, right?
Yeah, 3 more. There we go. Good job. Keep it up, Thor. 1 of 2. What? Yeah, because you got the far side and the one. Only the one on this side. All right, all right, all right. This is working swell. And we didn't get his boat dirt wet as either. The way the wind is going, it just blew it straight off the front. Going back over here to these guys though. So these are reefers, and these will go to the different canneries. They all are on individual. The blue there is the freezing system that runs and keeps it frozen inside. So you got one guy loading it up here and another guy coming to get it. I'm gonna slip over quick since they're not here. Check it out. Show you guys what's going on. Look at that, he's sitting there waiting to go with the next one. Oh, look at that, there's like a whole track system there. That must help to, oh yeah, look at all those chains down there tying them down. Well, that is cool. Wow, look at all the chains. That is pretty cool. All those chains tying them down, so that way when they go from here, most likely down to Seattle, you know, they're gonna make it there okay. Not tip over. If you heard them say it, they only go 4 high on the way back for sure because of the weight.
I got 3 entries right here.
Oh, right there, okay.
Maybe you get all 3 in the line, or you think we just be kind
I think we could get all 3, and they might be able to just push over the individual. Probably, no, the tour will be heavier. Get the 2 in first, then the 1. Yeah. Gary's been working with Amanda for quite a while, and in the off time when he's not working with her, he works with horses and stuff. It's pretty cool. At some point, if I remember to know if he has like a site or something, I'll try and include it on in the description below. The wrong ropes. Okay, Thor, go help Gideon! Jump across and help Gideon! There we go. Now we just gotta watch out for the corner of the boat. We should be good to go. Check for fish and put them all in the other bag. Perfect.
There we get the 1 here, the 2 there. Maybe.
Okay, yeah, it sounds good.
Watch out for the lid, it doesn't slide off.
Okay, okay. You gonna go 2 there and 1 here then?
Yeah, I'll take the 2
okay.
Here and that one right there.
Okay. Oh, I wish I could. Am I gonna spin it? I think we're spinning. You're a little bit too far over. Maybe it doesn't matter, or does it matter?